My name is L Krishnan. I'm Managing Director of TaeguTec India. It's great interacting with all of you. This IMTEX 2025 has been exceptionally good to engage with our customer from all over the country. We see very high level of positivity with our customers. Everybody is looking forward to a significant investment in capacity, getting into new areas of business. That gives us a tremendous amount of opportunity to propagate newer ideas to customers. First of all, the product development cycle in the company starts by identifying the bottleneck areas at customers' place. We look at what all the bottlenecks customers are facing, whether they're facing a bottleneck of turning, surface finish, boring, chattering, what is the problem customers face? Once we know the customer's bottleneck or a problem area, our R&D works globally to identify a more appropriate solution that will de-bottleneck at customers and as well as give them better cost efficiency to manufacture parts. So all the products what we displayed here are all oriented towards de-bottlenecking some areas at customers' end. Sustainability is at two levels. One is our own operation, which is more very critical for us. Currently, TaeguTec utilizes 96 to 98% of renewable energy in our manufacturing. This is one of our significant steps over the last 5-6 years. We've been able to reach this kind of a level. Second, as a company, we are water independent. We don't buy water. We are able to process the entire water with a very, very sophisticated water processing so that we are water independent. In terms of green cover, we have more than 10 trees per employee in the company to take care of the green cover. So in terms of, first of all, within our own operations, we are taking care of sustainability very, very seriously from our side. Now when it comes to customers, our focus is to improve the productivity and reduce the cost of operations of customer. When you want to improve the productivity, what do? You reduce the cycle time, you reduce the power consumption, you reduce the consumption of rare earth, which is our cutting tools are made out of rare earth, tungsten, cobalt, etc. If you are able to more efficiently do it, consumption of rare earth is much lesser, which enables our customers to really reduce the consumption overall and promote sustainability. So our R&D is working on product and solution to improve the productivity of our customers. There are areas, for example, we have some displayed solutions for turbine blade machining. We have displayed solutions for rail machining. We have displayed solutions for gear cutting. All these solutions can bring down the time taken for customer to produce a part by 80%, 70% can be the reduction alone. So which means that customer with lesser resource will be able to produce their parts, promoting sustainability. Well, India is poised to grow to greater heights in terms of manufacturing, as a manufacturing destination. Country is being promoted as a really good space. If you look at mechanical engineering industry, metal removal industry, availability of human resources is very critical. India is blessed with human resources. We don't see a reason that why our country will not grow in the years to come. So as the businesses grow, as the customers grow, we will also become a very strong supporting pillar to promote efficient manufacturing in the country. You're welcome.